Great. You are all set. Thank you. Please give this to your car care professional. So, a hand wax for you today? Of course. And the Black Explorer? Well, of course we could shampoo your floor mats, but really, deluxe detailing gives you the most bang for your buck. Oh yes, and SUVs are extra. Thank you, and please give this to your car care professional.
Hey, Sky.
Oh my God, Ted. What are you,
Someone from the office said you worked down here, so I thought I'd come down and say hi.
Wow, well, hello.
You look great.
No, I don't. I probably just look crazed.
You, look happy. Last time I saw you.
Hi. Thank you.
How's the family?
Family's good. Yeah, thank you. My brother-in-law, Hank, is making strides with his recovery. He's working hard. And, Walt Jr. turns 16 in a couple of days. So...
Well, that's an age to watch out for, huh?
Yeah, okay, $5, 5 cents. Thank you, and you just you give that to your car care professional. Hi.
How's Walt doing?
Walt's fine. He's still in remission. He just got back from the doctor, and he's looking good. So, yeah. So, is this everything for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
It's the Armor All. That comes to $16.95. Oh. Credit card. Very good. Thank you. So, Ted, how's work? Busy as here, I hope.
It's been a rough patch for everyone. We're going under. Friday was the last day for everybody. Locking the doors. Just the economy, overseas competition. You saw how it was.
Ted,
Couldn't keep things afloat, so.
I'm so sorry. Oh, here, thank you. And, you can just, thank you. Thanks.
Surprised we kept things going as long as we did.
I really am. I'm so sorry to hear about everything, but I just don't think now is a very good time. It's only... Oh, thank you, Gina. It's only gonna get busier, so...
Thing is, Skyler,
Yeah.
we really need to talk.
Ted, I really don't think that we have much of anything to talk about.
Actually, we do.